Got some Chinese fairings. eBay for Kawasaki. I'm gonna open up the box, just kind of see what comes in it and what the quality looks like. It really says quality when you got some nice Chinese writing in your box. Got a high quality heat shield. Oh, nice. Comes with a windscreen, but it's black so you can't see through it. Good windscreen right there. And this is for a 09 Kawasaki. We'll show the bike here also a little bit later on. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox everything, and then I'll just kind of do a overall picture or video of what everything looks like. Here it is, 09 zx6r. Obviously down a few times, old track bike. Still mostly going to be a track bike, but I don't believe in taking lights off of track bikes if they're not for competition. Obviously strictly competition bikes need it, but in this case it's going back to headlights, taillights, street fairings, so I could ride it on the street when I feel like it and can still do track days when I feel like it. Obviously needs some love, but got a lot of parts and all the fairings and everything going on it. So we'll get started here with the clutch. We got a new clutch for it. Obviously start out draining the oil, get the clutch cover off, get the bike prepared to get the fresh clutch in there, and go from there. We'll move on to the camera. with a screwdriver first, get them started in the holes in the fairings. Obviously these are Chinese eBay fairings, so they do not mount the same way the factory ones do. You're gonna have to use a bunch of screws you know, the sheet metal type screws. That's just the way that they're designed to hold up together. And as you can see there, using the drill to open up the holes is also another key. I highly recommend getting extra hardware as much as possible, usually 5mm Allen head bolts with a rubber well nut is usually the best way to attach some of these parts together. And then some are just simply designed to use self-tapping screws or sheet metal screws that hold things together. Um, I first test fitted the headlight in there, got it to kind of sit inside the fairing nice and tight, then took it back off and continued to drill screws through the slots where they're supposed to go. Um, and these fairings, really, you want to pretty much mount everything together before you start sliding it onto the bike, because a lot of the mounting holes are going to be either behind the headlight or really hard to get to once everything is mounted. So as you can see, we did the front fairing and the two side fairings, attached them together first before starting to attach the headlight to them, and then eventually, once we got all that together, finally started attaching it to the bike. Again, you gotta re-drill the holes, get them a little bit bigger to fit the application that you're using. And there she is. Check out the photos. Hopefully you enjoyed the video.